Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a pretty special care package from Walt Disney Studios Home Entertainment. Now this is obviously a Frozen 2 bag, and inside we have quite a lot of Frozen 2 stuff, including Frozen 2 on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital. Now you can pick this up already on digital HD. It came out February 11th. The Blu-ray and DVD is coming out February 25th. And the reason that they sent us all of this cool stuff is we are going to be having a movie watch party. We're going to be doing that on February 25th. We'll do it at 6 p.m. Pacific time. You can follow us along on Twitter if you'd like to join us. The Twitter handle is @laughing_place. So we hope to see you there. Now, we'll go through all of the stuff in here and then unbox the Blu-ray because I know that's what you're waiting for. We got a couple plushes. Here is Bruni, the lovable salamander with that very special symbol. If you haven't seen it, I don't want to give away too much. We also have an Olaf Plush. He has that permafrost that Elsa gets him, so he doesn't need his own personal flurry to follow him around everywhere. We have some snacks. We've got Frozen 2 fruit snacks. There's two different sides to the box, and then there are different characters for the fruit snacks there as well. Some Keebler cookies. So here's a side with Anna, there's a side with Elsa, and it looks like there's Anna, Elsa, and Olaf shaped cookies in there. Next we have some decoration. So we're going to decorate our house. We've got some streamers. We have some photo ops. So we've got Elsa and Anna hair, some Olaf nose, Sven antlers, some fun stuff there. We have stickers, so we can decorate things with stickers. We also have a craft kit. Let's see, making your own Olaf, so that looks pretty cool. We have a plush throw, so we can keep very warm and cozy while we watch the movie. A Bluetooth karaoke microphone. This is made by a company called eKids. It has the Frozen 2 characters on it, and then it looks like this pairs with any type of phone or music player that has Bluetooth enabled, and so then you could put your music on here and sing along, and it says it has a party light show. We have some Frozen themed drinking cups. We've got some Game of Family charades, just like the one that Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, and Olaf played in the film. We have some party napkins that say "Believe in the Journey." Pop Secret, the official popcorn brand of Disney parks. And then some Frozen 2 popcorn bowls. We're going to have a lot of fun at our watch party with these. And all of this stuff that we just went through you can find at your local party store or stores like Target and Walmart if you look down the party aisle. Things like the Bluetooth microphone, the blanket, the toys, and the snacks you would find in the toys and food aisle as well. So the Blu-ray packaging, as you can see, it does have an embossed title on there, and then it does use some foil aesthetics, so it kind of glitters and shimmers with a lot of the frozen watery accents. Kind of has Elsa's magic, so there's the rock trolls made out of magic back there. We've got the Knock the Water Horse. The spine has two different sides, so one side features Elsa, the other features Anna. And if you're pairing Frozen 1 and 2 together on your shelf, you could flip one around so you have Anna and Elsa next to each other if you'd like. Here is a look at the back of the packaging, and it does advertise some of the bonus features. I've already reviewed the digital copy, so I can already tell you there's a lot of deleted scenes, all in storyboard form, but with introductions by the directors. There's an outtakes reel. It includes the voice cast messing up in the recording studio. They have a couple of deleted songs. They are all on the deluxe version of the soundtrack, but if you want to see them with the storyboards of what the songs would have been, helps make a little more sense of where they would have fit in the film. There's a bonus feature called Did You Know? And that one is more about pointing out some of the fun facts, some Easter eggs, and hidden things that the animators put in there. And there is a lot more on the release as well. Some digital exclusives as well that I'm sure the digital code will point out once we crack this open. Now, underneath the packaging, you just have the same artwork replicated on the little wraparound. Nothing too spectacular. I'd always recommend picking these up early if you want to get the slipcover, because once they're gone, they're gone. So inside the case, we have our Movies Anywhere digital copy code redemption, which does advertise the two digital exclusives that you get with the digital copy. One of them is an exploration of all of the music with the Lopez's who wrote the songs. And then there's also one additional bonus song. It's an Olaf track called Unmeltable Me. And you only get that with the visuals through this, but it is, again, on that soundtrack. The back of that flyer just gives you more information on how to redeem your Movies Anywhere copy. Then you have a flyer for the Disney Movie Club. It is the most recent version, has a lot of Forky. And then the discs in the standard release do not have any disc art. There is a Best Buy Steelbook. That one will get you disc art for the disc, so if you care about that, look for the Best Buy Steelbook. And then also, if you're looking for a different packaging option, Target has their typical digibook. So you can get this with a little book with additional artwork and maybe some information about the making of the film that might not be on the bonus features. You'll find that one at Target. And again, the Frozen 2, the movie is out right now. It came out on February 11th for digital. It is coming out on disc February 25th, so you can pick it up on Blu-ray, DVD. You can get this combo pack. There's also going to be 4K, and we are hosting, again, that movie watch party, so follow us along on Twitter. That'll be on February 25th at 6 p.m. Pacific time. We hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.